Who said that this was impossible? As you just saw, the car does drive. And though it's very lazy when you give it the beans, it does make some progress. It does accelerate, albeit very slowly. After all, this engine has been detuned, with 2 cylinders surgically removed. Who said that this was impossible? Now, I did see the idea in the suggestion box. People were asking us to cut a motor in half. Not a lot of people, but a few. And even before, this was something we were meaning to try ourselves, to see whether it's even possible. This video proves that it very much is. Have an engine that actually runs.